I am most motivated by the idea of I'm building something for my two daughters. I'm building something that they can either carry on or not, but understand that mommy also can build a business, be an entrepreneur, and be mommy all at the same time. Hi, I am Ashley Williams. I am the designer and the founder of ANEA HILL. And we are in Houston, Texas, where we're gonna shoot some content for the brand.
These are nice on you too.
I founded ANEA HILL a little over a year ago. It's been a long time in the making. I sell sunglasses, hats, a little bit of clothes and accessories, but for the most part, we design good quality sunglasses. What makes ANEA HILL different is the quality of our line. I love designing. I design everything top to bottom. I wanted it to be good, classic staple pieces that will last for a really long time. I came up with the name ANEA HILL, which is an acronym for my family. It represents my husband, my two girls, and myself, which is Erin, Navy, Everly, and Ashley. And Hill is that idea, you know, when you get something new and you put it on and you're walking around, all of a sudden people are complimenting that piece that you have on. That's that feeling of the hill. So whenever you're wearing ANEA, you feel like you're on top of the hill.
Oh my gosh, gorgeous.
I chose LTK Connect because it felt like almost a no-brainer for me, because influencers are the way of the future, and it's a way to get your brand out there. It's a way to get directly into the consumer's hands. Creators trust LTK, and so when the platform became available, I knew it was something that our brand needed to take notice of. So my team and I have a lot of fun with LTK Connect. We love strategizing, we love data, we love knowing all the nitty-gritties about our influencers. All the new information and data that you're getting on influencers is fresh content based on their current interaction and engagement with their audience. And so it's been really fun to basically nerd out and find all kinds of juicy, good, behind the scenes information on our creators that we wouldn't have been able to find anywhere else. And when they say build a team around you, that's what I consider LTK. I consider myself part of the team. It's a good group of people that care about your business, care about my business, care about where I'm going, and it allowed me more time to spend with my girls. As a brand, as a mom, as an influencer with LTK Connect, I'm realizing you really can do it all.